War crimes are not just acts of brutality, they are profound violations of humanity that challenge our moral compass. The Nuremberg trials, held after World War II, set a precedent, holding leaders accountable for atrocities. Imagine the weight of judgment on those who orchestrated genocide, their actions scrutinized under the lens of justice. Fast forward to the International Criminal Court, where the pursuit of accountability continues. Each trial is a reminder that justice must prevail, even in the darkest times. The stories of survivors echo through these courtrooms, urging us to confront our past and redefine our collective morality. In the end, these trials are not just about punishment, they are about healing and ensuring that history does not repeat itself. When the dust settles after war, a profound reckoning begins. The trials that emerge from history's darkest chapters are not merely about punishment, they are a quest for accountability and a redefinition of our moral compass. Take Nuremberg, for instance, where the world confronted the horrors of the Holocaust and established that individuals, not just nations, could be held accountable for atrocities. These trials challenged the very essence of justice, asking us to confront uncomfortable truths about humanity. From the Rwandan genocide to the Yugoslav wars, each trial has carved a path toward healing, reminding us that justice is not just a legal concept but a moral imperative. As we reflect on these pivotal moments, we recognize that the pursuit of justice is a continuous journey, shaping our understanding of right and wrong in an ever-changing world. The concept of war crimes emerged from the ashes of World War I, a response to the unimaginable horrors of unrestricted warfare. In 1919, the Treaty of Versailles aimed to hold leaders accountable for their atrocities, marking a pivotal moment in international law. Yet, political realities often obstructed true justice, as power dynamics overshadowed moral imperatives. These early efforts, though imperfect, laid the foundation for future trials, like Nuremberg, where the world began to grapple with the idea that no one is above the law, even in times of war. The quest for accountability continues to evolve, reminding us that the legacy of those early decisions still shapes our understanding of justice today. The aftermath of World War II brought a profound challenge: how to hold Nazi leaders accountable for their horrific actions. The Nuremberg trials, held from 1945 to 1946, were a groundbreaking moment in history. For the first time, individuals faced justice for genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes on an international stage. Imagine the weight of that courtroom, where the world watched as justice was served. These trials didn't just punish the guilty, they laid down legal precedents that still resonate today. They established that individuals, not just nations, could be held accountable for their actions, forever changing the landscape of international law and human rights. The legacy of Nuremberg is a powerful reminder of our collective responsibility to ensure that such atrocities never happen again. In parallel with the Nuremberg trials, the Tokyo trials emerged as a crucial moment in history, aiming to hold Japan's wartime leaders accountable for their actions. While both trials shared the same goal, the Tokyo trials faced unique challenges. Cultural differences, complicated proceedings, and geopolitical tensions loomed large, influencing the atmosphere in which justice was sought. Yet, despite these obstacles, the message was clear: leaders, no matter their rank or nation, must answer for their crimes. This was a pivotal step in establishing accountability on a global scale, reinforcing the principle that no one is above the law, even in the aftermath of war. The atrocities of the 20th century didn't just fade away after World War II. The 1990s brought us the harrowing ethnic cleansing in the Balkans and the horrific genocide in Rwanda. In response, the international community established ad hoc tribunals, striving to deliver justice where it was desperately needed. Fast forward to today, and the International Criminal Court stands as a beacon of hope, yet it faces its own controversies. These modern efforts highlight a critical truth: the ongoing struggle to balance justice with the complex web of global politics. The fight for accountability continues, reminding us that history's shadows still loom large over our present. War crimes trials transcend mere legal proceedings; they are pivotal moments in our collective conscience. They give a voice to the silenced, allowing victims to share their harrowing stories and confront the atrocities that haunt our history. These trials serve as a stark reminder of the depths of human cruelty, but they also illuminate the path toward justice and healing. By holding perpetrators accountable, we reinforce the fundamental principle that human rights are non-negotiable. The legacy of these trials is not solely about punishment. It's about education, awareness, and the unwavering commitment to ensure that such horrors are never repeated. In this ongoing struggle for justice, we find hope and a renewed dedication to safeguarding humanity's future.